Hello everyone, we are joined here by Mr. Dinesh Harikrishnan. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today.
Thank you for hosting. Yeah.
I wanted to start off by asking you, given that the integration of AI is slowly becoming mainstream right now, where do you see challenges occurring due to this kind of integration in cybersecurity?
Okay. So, majorly when it comes to the AI piece coming into the cybersecurity or in general, people who are adopting the artificial intelligence in the organization, even the recent study says more than 70% of the organization who adopted AI in the last 3-4 years are making no return. So they are completely rethinking their idea of okay, what is the reason behind, why did it fail, what is the fallback plan. They thought about okay, this AI going to completely take over all the manual driven, human driven processes, but that's not actually true. Especially when it comes to cybersecurity, AI driven is something like you have to, ensure the AI understand what exactly your process is. Without that, you being introducing or you been implementing, especially in the cybersecurity, it's going to be a very risk factor for any organization for that matter. If you are implementing AI in a marketing, it's different. But when it comes to cybersecurity, the identity is very important. The identity gets compromised, your entire organization data is under toss. So before you introducing any AI tool into the platform or in your organization, especially in the cybersecurity space, you have to ensure what is the benefit you're going to get out of it and what exactly the output you are looking out for. It's not something okay, the industry does, that's the buzzword right away, things are going on, so if you be implementing it, that gonna actually not work as you expected. So that is the challenge, I would say. People have to study more about how things are going, how the as a world, how they are adopting artificial intelligence when in the cybersecurity area. The study is required is what I'm saying. So it's not because of my competition is doing, so let me also do that. So they shouldn't adopt in such a way.
Definitely, that was quite an interesting perspective because usually these are considered to be just fads. When
Yeah.
they're not correctly applied, they're considered to be fads. But of course, application also comes with its positives. So now moving to the positive bit of it, when AI does go mainstream, when it is integrated in every system, every cybersecurity system, in every section of the ecosystem, where does the potential of the usage of AI lie?
Okay, so then comes to the other extreme of it, AI, right? So when the potential benefit, what we get to see, the complete grunt work can be handled by AI in a large extent. So if you're doing any process manually, when it comes to cybersecurity, I take as an example. So whenever you provision certain things to a user, who has to access what, how the conditional access getting assigned to the user, is the pattern being identified, is the user supposed to access all that, all those AI driven, policy driven, which the process you already set in place, those process can be AI driven. So you cannot build certain things or think certain things and okay, this will be AI driven. I don't have any process. Okay, let AI handle it. That won't work. But when you have a defined process set in place, instead of assigning some manual person to take it forward with, and you assign an AI to do that, then it will work. Then the lot of your grunt work, lot of your human error can be addressed if you have a well-defined process set in place, and that place AI is definitely help you in all the aspect. Irrespective of cyber security, anywhere in the industry you apply it, it will work.
Definitely, definitely. And it is very interesting. The topic that we have chosen to talk about today is also something that is a very key theme in today's event at CyBe. So I wanted to understand your perspective on such industry-driven event where the main core has been discussed that is surrounding both cybersecurity and AI, both vice versa, how they work within each other. So I wanted you to shed a little bit of light on it to understand your perspective on not just the event but also the collaboration and your experience so far.
Okay. So this is our second year in CyBe. So last year was our first time when we were get introduced by other partner. You can rather say they are our competition, and we get connected to it. And last year it was a phenomenal responses we got. So our brand visibility is something we are always looking out for. I mean, marketing, as everybody knows that marketing is everybody spend more and get the product visibility is very important. Having conducting such a event in the heart of the tech India, Bangalore, where we having such an whoever people coming into meeting us, or whoever all the delegates, speakers, sponsors, everything, having a humongous amount of the knowledge in the cybersecurity in the IT space, and being part of this and getting talking to them and sharing their knowledge and understanding how the market reacts, how the industry is looking for, or what the people who actually want it out of it. It's really it's a very encouraging moment for us as to a product been some 2 years, 3 years old in the market. Getting those feedback is really valuable for us.
That's great, sir. And I'm glad that you're having a good time over here at CyBe's Cyber AI Summit. So thank you so much, sir, for taking a seat with us and speaking with us about cybersecurity and AI and how their convergence actually brings a difference into an organization's daily, operations. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.